create a blog and see how to create and then how to launch it. So let's go to our South Asian Speakers Academy, that blog website. So here is the website. If you see in my blog, I mentioned few items like a structure of the blog. So here I was talking about the header, and this header has, if you see here, menu, where, home, blog, about, resource, contact, and the right hand side, if you see here, recent posts, recent comments, archives, category. This is, I was talking about the sidebar. Sometime a website, a blog can have in the left hand side and the right hand side also, but here we have only on the right hand side. And here is the header. So header, there is an image across the page or across the screen, and here is the title, or you can say, yeah, and here is the logo, just another WordPress site, or whatever you want. You can have your own slogan, tagline, and this is the menu, and here is the search box. So these are the widgets. These are like a search widgets, so you can have many widgets. These are the different widgets here for the categories and for the comments, for the archives. And here is the footer. And we don't have any opt-in page, but you can have your opt-in page where they can provide an email address and their name. So you can collect email address, which I will be teaching you in details in further weeks. So let's create a blog. So let's go to the backend, and here is the backend. Let's go to the backend here. And so right now it has only one blog post. So when you create the blog post, right now we are in the backend, the dashboard. So just click the post. So in the post, you can say add new. So basically this is the blog editor. If you see here, let me explain you different components here. If you see the extreme right hand side here, it says the save draft. So when you keep typing, you can just save draft, or you can publish. When you say publish, it is going to be available on your website. So here are a couple of the buttons here. So save draft means you just keep creating and saving your draft. And the preview, where you can see the preview, it will not be published to the website for the public, but you will able to see internally yourself how it's going to look like. So let's create here. So as I mentioned on the blog, you can have a text, you can have a picture, you can have an audio, you can have a video. So let me create all these 4 different modes of information today. So I have explained you all these left hand side items already in the previous sessions. So let's create and let's name, and let's name this our blog a practice blog. This is the practice blog using text, image, audio, and a video. So let's have everything here. Let's incorporate. So here let's write something, some text. This is the blog post going to demonstrate how to upload image, audio, and a video. So let's first upload an image. So let's go. So that is number 1. So just add media here and just select file, and let's see if you have some image here. Yeah, so let's create this image and from the system and open, and it will upload here. As soon as uploads, click here, insert into the post, and it will be inserted on the post. So here is the image. So image is being uploaded. Now let's number 2, let's upload some audio. So let's upload some audio files. So what I did, let's go and I think I have already seen. So go to any eofire.com. So go to any podcast. Here is the podcast. So one of the podcasts, and let me download this podcast here. So I've downloaded. So this podcast is being downloaded here, and let's go and add this podcast here. So add media. In the add media, again upload file, select file from your computer, and I have this here mp3 file already available here. Just open it, and once it's uploaded, it might take a little longer than the image because of the size of the file, and this is alpha, just demonstration purpose. So, and as soon as this gets uploaded here, insert into the post, and here it inserted on the post. Can you see here automatically the default player is going to be visible for you here. So that's how it works. So let's so this is going to be the audio, and let's create one video also, and then we'll see things together. And I keep saving, just save draft here, so that in case something goes, so make sure that you have that your stuff available. And let's go number 3. So let's upload some video as well, and let's have some video and go. Let's upload from the YouTube. So what you do here, again add media. So I can upload that file if that video is available on your PC, but I'm going to upload from the YouTube. So what you have to do, insert from URL. So let's capture the URL. So what I do, let's go to YouTube first here. So go to YouTube, and I will go to my own channel here, my own channel, Rakesh Mishra on Fire. That is a channel, and here I will see all my videos, and here are the videos, and let's click one of the video here. So hello my dear friends, once again here, your friend Rakesh Mishra. I am going to click here, share, and I will get here the URL for my video here, and just copy that URL, command copy. I'm using the Mac here, and just paste it. So as soon as you paste, insert into the post, so it's going to be available here, and that's it. And if you go here, save draft, and that's it, and publish. Once it is, draft has been saved, and just published here. And if you see the publish, it's going to publish. And now let's launch. This is the blog. So this is how we write the blog. So here in the beginning I wrote some text, and let's write some more text and some more option, like remember here you can use just like an edit, like WordPress editor. I mean your Microsoft Word here. So I highlighted, and you can bold, you can italic, and you can use the headline, a different size, and write some more text here. Text. This is my week 6 post where I am going to teach how to create a blog and launch it. Yeah. And you highlight it, and then something called, I say, those boxes, and you can have headlines here, and then we can have different headlines, and if you just highlight it, and so this is, yeah, so these are the, yeah, so you can have a headline, but those many options are not here because this is a free theme, because I use, you know, different one. So this is how. Okay, so let's update it because I made some changes, and then I'm going to launch the blog, and let's see what we are going to see. So just go here and widget site, and this is your website. Can you see here? So this is the practice blog using text, images, audio, and video. By default, what it does, it just, so you have to say read more. So once you say read more, everything is going to be available here. Can you see here now? This is the title, and this is the I use little italic and bold. This is the first upload. This is the image we uploaded, and this is the audio. So if you click here, it will play the audio.
Light that spark fire.
And here is the video from the YouTube. So click that, it's a video.
Hello, my dear friends. Once again, your friend
So everything is working fine. Fantastic. Once again, so this is your header, and header has your title, your tagline, your slogan. Here is the menu. Here is the right hand side, your sidebar, and here is your blog. This is the content area, main content area, and this is the footer here. And we can add, you know, to capture the email or share button, many other features which I will be teaching next week. So with that, enjoy, do just keep practicing, practice. We are going to have real fun, guys. See you next week. Bye bye.